Did you know that your body has an incredible built-in system to heal itself, stay lean, and even protect against diseases like cancer? In this video, we'll explore simple yet powerful daily habits inspired by 5 legendary Japanese scientists who have revolutionized our understanding of health and longevity. We'll start with Dr. Yoshinori Ohsumi, the Nobel Prize-winning scientist who uncovered autophagy. It's a fascinating process where your cells self-clean and regenerate. Then we'll dive into the research of Dr. Takayuki Teruja, who studies the metabolic benefits of fasting, and Dr. Shigaki Hinohara, one of Japan's most respected longevity experts. We'll also learn from Dr. Yumi Ishihara, a renowned physician, trusted by Japanese prime ministers, and Dr. Hiromi Shinya, a pioneering gastroenterologist who emphasizes the vital connection between good health, enzyme-rich foods, and disease prevention. By the end of this video, you'll understand how autophagy works and, more importantly, how you can activate it in your daily life for better health and longevity. What is autophagy? Autophagy is your body's natural recycling system, a built-in detox that keeps your cells clean and efficient. Think of it as cellular housekeeping. Your body breaks down and removes damaged parts, making way for stronger, healthier cells. Dr. Yoshinori Ohsumi discovered that autophagy becomes especially active during periods of fasting or stress, helping your body repair itself, maintain a healthy weight, and lower the risk of diseases like cancer. As Dr. Ohsumi emphasized in his Nobel lecture, without autophagy, our cells cannot survive. This process is essential for keeping your body balanced, energized, and resilient. One of Dr. Ohsumi's core philosophies is that scientific progress thrives on collaboration and openness. Since his groundbreaking discovery, countless scientists have expanded research into the practical applications of autophagy, now widely recognized as being linked to aging, cancer prevention, neurodegenerative diseases, and immunity. The key takeaway: supporting your body's internal cleaning system both at the cellular and lifestyle levels is crucial for long-term health. So, how can we activate autophagy in our daily lives and harness its benefits? It's easier than you think. Here are 3 Japanese longevity-inspired diet and lifestyle tips, backed by top Japanese scientists. Tip number 1. Activate autophagy with intermittent fasting. One of the most effective ways to trigger autophagy is intermittent fasting, a practice deeply woven into traditional Japanese lifestyles for generations. But what exactly is intermittent fasting? Simply put, it means creating a daily window of time where you don't eat, allowing your body to shift from digestion to deep cellular repair. Many Japanese researchers, inspired by Dr. Ohsumi's work, advocate for a natural fasting period of 12 to 16 hours, a rhythm that aligns with how older generations in Japan naturally eat. Many Japanese elders intuitively skip meals or maintain longer gaps between dinner and breakfast, unknowingly supporting their body's built-in cleansing and renewal processes. One leading scientist in this field is Dr. Takayuki Teruja, a Japanese researcher specializing in the metabolic effects of fasting. His research highlights that fasting isn't just about weight loss, it enhances metabolism, boosts antioxidant production, may slow down aging. 3 key insights from Dr. Teruja's research: metabolic activation during fasting. Fasting stimulates metabolic pathways, increasing energy production and antioxidant defense. Antioxidant generation. Fasting elevates antioxidant levels, neutralizing harmful free radicals. Potential anti-aging effects. Fasting may support cellular repair mechanisms. And longevity. Dr. Teruja strongly advocates for the health benefits of fasting, emphasizing its role in revitalizing metabolism, strengthening antioxidant defenses, and potentially extending lifespan. So if you're looking for a simple, science-backed way to improve your health, consider incorporating intermittent fasting into your daily routine. Tip number 2. Practice harahachi-bu, eat until 80% full. The second lifestyle tip is to embrace the traditional Japanese practice of harahachi, which means stop eating when you're 80% full, rooted in Okinawan culture and supported by longevity studies. This principle encourages mindful eating and calorie restriction without malnutrition, allowing the body to enter cellular cleanup mode autophagy. This gentle calorie restriction, combined with long overnight breaks from food, reduces metabolic stress and gives your body more time for self-repair. Interestingly, in Okinawa region, renowned for its high number of centenarians, a blue zone people, have naturally practiced this approach without realizing it. A tradition of early in. Light dinners and long periods without late-night snacking creates an overnight fasting window that naturally supports a autophagy. Dr. Shigeki Hinohara, of Japan's most respected doctors and longevity experts, was a living example of this philosophy. He worked until age 105, advocating that staying engaged and never fully retiring keeps both the mind and body youthful. His approach to diet was simple: eat light, avoid excess sugar and processed foods, follow hara hachibu, eat until 80% full. He believed this prevented excess weight gain and contributed to longevity. Dr. Hinohara also promoted staying active, taking the stairs instead of elevators, and walking daily to maintain vitality. While he respected medicine, he warned against over-relying on doctors, instead advocating for preventive care, a positive mindset, and personal responsibility for health. He also emphasized lifelong learning, curiosity, and having fun, often saying that enjoying life is the best way to forget pain. Tip number 3. Eat foods that support autophagy to fully activate autophagy. What we eat plays a crucial role, Dr. Yumi Ishihara, the personal doctor to Japan's Prime Minister and head of the Ishihara Clinic in Tokyo, advocates for modified fasting as a powerful tool for health. His regimen includes liquid breakfast, freshly squeezed carrot or apple juice; skipping lunch, black tea with black sugar and ginger, 1 solid meal per day. This approach creates long fasting windows that naturally support cellular rejuvenation. In a U-top, Dr. Ishihara often reminds us that most humans today eat too much, emphasizes the importance of hara-hachi-bu, eating until you're 80% full, to encourage longevity and prevent overeating. Best autophagus supporting foods and drinks: carrot and apple juice, rich in beta-carotene, vitamin A, and antioxidants. Gentle on digestion and supports detox. Black tea with black sugar and ginger, warming, anti-inflammatory, and aids digestion. Plant-based whole foods, vegetables, seaweed, fermented foods, miso, natto, fish, and legumes. Whole grains, brown rice, barley. Dr. Hiromi Shinya, a renowned Japanese-American gastroenterologist, promoted a diet rich in enzymes, fresh vegetables and fruits, and low in meat to maintain a healthy gut and reduce metabolic stress. His Shinya Little Fast, a 16-hour fasting period, early dinner. Late breakfast gives your digestive system time to rest and supports internal cleansing, aligning perfectly. With a U-top dot, Dr. Shinya also emphasized hydration, starting the day with 2 glasses of water on an empty stomach to cleanse the body. Japanese sencha green tea, rich in catechins, can also mildly support autophagy and overall health. Foods to avoid: they block autophagy. Processed foods, excess sugar and white flour, cause insulin spikes. Processed meats and chemical additives. By following these principles, intermittent fasting, plant-based whole foods, and avoiding processed junk, you can activate autophagy and let your body naturally repair itself.